Most people think ChatGPT is the best AI, but Claude AI quietly beats it in some very important ways. Today, we're comparing Claude AI versus ChatGPT to see which AI is actually better in 2026. Both are powerful. Both can write, explain, and help with work. But they're built for different types of users, and that's where the real difference is. Feature 1. Writing and human-like answers. First, let's talk about writing. Open ChatGPT and ask it to explain a topic. Now ask the same thing in Claude AI. ChatGPT is fast and detailed. Claude feels calmer, more natural, and easier to read. If you write blogs, scripts, or emails, Claude usually sounds more human. That's why many creators prefer Claude for long writing. Feature 2. Documents and long files. Now, here's where Claude really stands out. Upload a long PDF or document. Claude can read it, summarize it, and explain it clearly. ChatGPT can do this too, but Claude handles long documents better and stays more focused. If you're a student, researcher, or deal with big files, this matters a lot. Quick comparison. ChatGPT is better for coding, quick answers, plugins and tools. Claude AI is better for writing, summaries, long documents, beginner-friendly use. So which AI is better in 2026? If you want power and features, ChatGPT wins. If you want natural writing and long document help, Claude AI wins. Honestly, the best choice depends on how you use AI. If you use AI for work or content, subscribe. I test AI tools daily and keep it simple.